This question, I love it. It's amazing. Okay, so can you lash clients that have really fine lashes? It's important to note that people have fine lashes for different reasons, whether it be because they're aging, whether they've had or going through chemotherapy, genetics, or whether they're damaged from previous eyelash extensions from somewhere else. Okay, so let's say you get a client come in the salon, you lie them down and you check their lashes and they're really, really fine. Obviously, the client doesn't want to leave without having any lashes done, and obviously it's your job to let them know the state of their lashes and ask them about their previous eyelash extension history. Usually you can tell if lashes are damaged. I'll put a picture up here of what damaged lashes look like from eyelash extensions and the difference between naturally fine lashes. If you do have a client come in with super fine lashes and they really, really do want eyelash extensions and wouldn't prefer to go home and use a lash serum until they get stronger, what you can do is you can use a 0.03mm or 0.05mm in a 2 or 3D fan, not much longer than their own lashes, as to minimize the weight on that lash, just to give them a nice fluffy look so they walk away with something. If they have gaps in their lash line from damaged eyelash extensions, you need to be super careful because already the follicles and the hair is weak from the damage. So you run the risk of their existing lashes sliding out of the follicle as soon as you touch them. So you need to be super careful with that. Generally though, if a client comes in with damaged lashes from lash extensions, you have the choice to lash them or not, because they're already aware of the state their lash is in, most likely. So you can turn them away and recommend them to use a lash serum and let them grow back. This is why it's also important to have products to sell after their appointment. If you have a lash serum in the salon, they can use it. If you do have an older client that comes in with really short, fine lashes, or a chemotherapy client, a patient or a past patient, try not to let them walk away with nothing on their lashes, because at the end of the day, they're coming in to feel good about themselves, especially chemo patients. So literally lash the same or a millimeter or two longer than their own lashes and put really fine lashes on with a nice curl, and they'll be more than appreciative. Long-winded answer, but usually you should be able to lash them. Like and follow for more.